Greetings, welcome to the YG Nature Life channel. So this is part 2 of Jamaican Batman and SpiderMan. If you've not seen part 1, then go watch it right now. Link in the description or link somewhere up there right now.
Chop asleep and go wake up your little bad mind.
When we go back over here, so go get the sale with cartel in a juicy beef
Prison
party,
guard.
bad. Yo, my youth, yo. How are you doing?
Hey, fat boy, come here. How are you eat?
Yo, dog, it's a juicy beef callaloo party we buy from my lunch break.
Tell me that just got juicy beef, and then tell me say party done.
Yo,
Boy, we buy the last one.
Yo, Batman, Bill no man, Bill no dog, Bill no. What you want with me?
Every time I go juicy beef, they say they don't have no callaloo. They only have beef, saltfish and chicken. Is that right? Yo, juicy beef.
It's a callaloo party me want. Why make you never buy two?
Dog, can you hear me say one party left, man? Please don't kill me.
Fuck off, even boy.
No.
Dad, I really want party I want to over.
What? Shut your mouth, you know. Cause I see you
Man, hungry.
me put dumpling them.
Dad, we come and be argue about dumpling and we come and be free cartel.
Oh, they only forgot about that. Free cartel me a come.
Me bumper clean police. They shot me.
How you put that one in passenger, yes, sir? Eh? How are the
Don't move, boy. No, don't move. No move. Yo, handcuff that thief in one day. Yeah, man, we know we don't come try free cartel now, so we plan for no. We now got prison too.
When you want to go to prison, it's your Batman make me go to prison now.
Yo, man, you tell me balling like that, girl. What you for say a Gaza?
I'm not in a Gaza war.
What me say you for say?
Gaza, me say.
What me say you for say?
Gaza, me say.
What me say you for say?
Aye, Gaza, me them power.
Beat up.
Listen, Batman and Bean, man.
Give me this rice. Take that fatty fish.
I'm sure there's a couple of music song in it.
Hold that bumper face, boy.
Call me say still enough.
Hey, that boy. A Gaza me say.
No, Batman not as
Don't be a call again. Most still there for the free cartel, but I'm calling me say.
A Gaza me say right there, boy. Get box in your face.
Wait, you turn bad man. Call inside me say.
Gaza me say.
What?
Gaza me say.
What?
Come touch me now.
Call it.
Come touch me now.
Come take beat up some boy. Come here right there, boy. How you think you're wrong with? You want me spans off your face. Say Gaza.
You know they fight like an idiot. You know make you go free cartel. See prison up there, so you know.
Sit down as a super boy. Make a free cartel.
Somebody catch me. Wee! No, catch me.
You alright?
Yo, dog, me not catch man, you know. Come to you, man.
Me was not catch man. After me an hour.
You wanna know somebody couldn't catch me, man. You wanna me back at me. Come here, go free cartel. Wee! I will put that one in like this, man. You don't listen that way, do ya?
Okay, mama.
Mama, you still the man. Shut your
Music again.
Cartel me a come.
Hair grow back.
The young girl correspond, so me aim for the pussy.
I don't move now, tell me rats me. Move. Me say move. Wee. Cartel in ya. Wait. Cartel on your white, so.
Okay, son.
Come in, dog. We are left out ya.
You don't trust people.
Wait there, wa. So you don't trust me.
You say you can't trust people.
Yeah.
Alright, come in, me have me bad vehicle out and
Happy hour redeem.
Even a
Happy hour
you
redeem.
can't turn the car, boy, you not trust
say
me.
happy hour
You can't turn in
redeem.
then.
Boy,
We got about the
boy.
business. Wee.
me not trust people. Me not trust people.
Done. Yeah, man, real.
Me not trust people.
If you're on this channel, go subscribe to them. Very good videos, man. More videos like them coming soon. Go and go subscribe.